G'day guys. Well, sort of a breakdown of the boat finally. We've had a lot of questions about the tinny on the roof, the cruiser. So I'll do a bit of a breakdown of pulling it off the roof, setting it up, show you what I do to get on and off, and then I'll give you a quick whip around the roof rack. Plenty of questions on that and where we store our motor and whatnot. So yeah, this will be this sort of week's episode of the Wandering Hook. So like and subscribe if you can, and yeah, hope you enjoy it.
Packing up the caravan, Django's ready to go. Fishing rods in hand, hitting every road we know. From sunrise to sunset, casting lines for the thrill. On the hunt for the big one, chasing that real deal.
Rightio, so better break in the rain. So I'll just whip it off, just got a strap at the back, hook up the winch, and then I'll winch her off. Rightio, this is the first process. We're just going to winch her off and actually just pull it off basically and back to winch off, and just stand her up at the back of the car. Well, let's just basically stand it up. Make sure it just rested against that little spoiler there, but I've got a bit of tape on that. Got caught on my crustacea bag I've got a head up there, so it's a bit of an issue when you're sliding back. But yeah, it just makes the boat a little bit lighter when I don't have all the nets and everything in it. So now it's just the point of standing it up. I'll let the mower down. So that's about it. Like I said, that boat, I'll straight to the factory, it's about 75 kilos. I've got the travel wheels in it, got a couple of crab nets and a small box. This probably puts up around that 80 kilo mark. It's doable on your own. Bit of wind and everything can be handy if someone's with you. But now I'll just set it up, and I'll take the motor off the back, video that, put that on, and then I'll show you what it's all set up, ready to go. Rightio, for those who haven't seen before, this is where I keep the motor. So just got to like get that in the back of the van there, tucked in behind the bumper, little false transom built in there, the little leg support under there, and yeah, it's just clamped on per usual like a transom mount. Plus I've got a strap on it. Plus there's just a bit of a anti-theft device there. Will only slow down the honest people. So yeah, so then I'll just lift it off there, and this is, I'll show you later what type of motor it is when I put it on the boat. Rightio, set up. It's about to pour with rain again, so well, probably going to head out tomorrow. Okay, so we've got these clip-on side wheels. Of course you get them, you've probably seen them around, BLA. They're okay, they get the job done. They're not the best, of course you have to change out the wheels. These are little inflated ones from Bunnings. Got the old Mariner 15 horse 2-banger. Now, bought this for $1,000. Now, have I had problems with it? Yes. Mainly the kill switch. We had this ongoing problem with it, and I was losing days fishing, couldn't get it going, then it'd run beautifully, then it was a dirty carby the whole night. Turns out it was a kill switch. So the little kill switch and hand grip was playing up and causing it issues. So I've disconnected it at the moment, and she runs like a dream. 2-banger, not a lot can go wrong. Fuel, spark, air. That's all you need to do with it. The transducer, I attached that. Of course, the loading it the way I do and unloading it, you can't have a transduce there, or a bracket will just get smashed. So we just sort of have this here, unscrew this that goes in the boat. Not a super flash, just sort of Hummingbird Helix 7. Got the battery in the back here. Now that's a 50 amp lithium, very light, which runs our electric at the front. So I've only had this for a little while now. Ran it at another cooter during the last hot, and it was pretty good. Sorry about the wind there. But yeah, and of course safety gear up the front, and that's about it. Got down the boat, of course keep a ladder under the seat, because you just never know, especially if you go over or you're diving and whatnot, so you need to have a ladder. So that's her. Now when I tow it down the river, I've got just a little metal bracket that attaches to through the front eyelet, of course, with the thing, and then goes inside the pull the tongue out of that, whack the hitch in there. It's very agricultural, but it gets the job done, which is what most of this is about. Now show you the probably show you the actual loader on the roof a little bit later, but that's ready to go for tomorrow. And yeah, actually there's one other small battery. It runs for the Hummingbird sounder. That's a little tiny little 18 amp battery, and it's quite compact. Runs separate to the actual electric motor, so you don't get interference. Safety gear goes up the front underneath this little hatch I put in. I've got anchoring up there, but yeah, and we run waist life jackets instead of the yoke style. Find them just a little bit better at the moment. We've got them recently and they're very comfortable. Yeah, just go around your waist and a little jockey strap. So yeah, and that's about it. So we're ready to go, and hopefully get on the water tomorrow. Right, yeah, now to show the actual roof rack and loader now. So I'll just do a quick whiz around and explain what I've done. And yeah, so pretty much done on the cheap, but also I can replace sections of it on the road if I need to. If there's a Bunnings nearby, I can probably do it. So anyway, let's have a look. So this is a Rhino Rack Pioneer 6 roof rack. So let's look around here. Let's go along the back, on the sides here. Just do a quick walk around. You see that? So it sort of staggers out because I need to shape the boat, so I shaped it that way. And then around here, and then back along the sides, of course. Now I'll just jump up, and this is the top. So just use a bit of basically what they call it, say oh, what's the words? So here's here at the top here. Just this is basically just makes things slide up a bit easier. There's a bit of you can see sort of rub rails. Just got that from BCF for your boat trailer, but yeah, so it's all just secured on. Now this is made from aluminium pool fencing. So yeah, a winch in the middle, of course. Just cheapy, a couple $100. Yeah, wide in with a remote. Each of these sections now, this locks into this Pioneer 6 roof rack with the channel nuts. They're from Razor. They are definitely better than Rhino Rack ones. Rhino Rack ones have got little bits of plastic in them, so not a big fan. These ones are good channel locking nuts. Saves you taking this off to try and slide new bits in. So they're all in there. I'll just come up higher. So yeah, so once again, it just slips up there, slides up on top. As you saw. At the moment, I'll give it a look over. It's done over 12 months on the roof now, including the gib and right up to Columbaroo and whatnot. So it seems to have held up all right. Got a couple of rusty bolts here that, like I said, everything can be replaced at Bunnings. And once we get up, maybe before we get up the Cape, I'll have a really good look. Make sure none of this is cracked, because if you do squeeze down too hard on this aluminium pool fencing, you notice I've used like little washers on there just to spread the load, because you come down just on those 8mm and it just puts too much pressure on it. And you can see it's sort of bowing in. But yeah, just larger. You can even go a larger washer if you wanted to, size 10, like size 10, actually a bit of couple of mil plate. And then yeah, it just locks in the channel nuts. It's got 1, 2, each one's held on by 3 channel nuts on each one, and only a couple of points at the back. Most of the weight's on those middle ones and front. And yeah, so that's about it. loading process. Got everything packed in, ready to go. Line it up with always get an assistant, but assistant's with me.
Yeah.
Right, come in here. I've got this quick connector. Just goes on there like that. Locks in. Let's make sure it doesn't hit the side of the cruiser. Back. Just seemed to hold it off the back of the car that I mentioned. Job's done, so it's just a matter of strapping it down. I'll just let the tension on the winch and just slide forward a little bit more. And job's done. Tied up on the roof. That's the job done. So yeah, that's our tinny and tinny loader. Homemadey. Anyway, I'll put this together in a video and throw it up because, like I said, a few people have been asking about it, so thought I'd just do a quick vid and get it out there. Anyway, if you've got any questions, just put it in the comments and I'll try and get back to you.